and welcome back to my channel. And today I am full steam ahead with renovations, and I thought I would share it with you because that's what I do here. So hopefully we'll be able to get some kind of before and after or some progress or something. But yes, I'll have a bit of a chat while I am doing this. I did also go out today and get, or I shouldn't say today, last night I went shopping and I got this Sadco mop here. To be honest, I really like the Oats brand a lot better than this brand, but I used one of these not long ago when we were cleaning at work and we were cleaning some walls, and I really liked it. So I had to go out and buy one. At the moment they're $13 off at Woolies. So, oh sorry, at Coles, but by the time this video comes out it's probably not even going to be on sale. So yes, but anyway, keep your eyes open because they might have them on sale again. If they've had them on sale once, they should, surely they should again. But yeah, basically it's just like a normal flat mop, but you put it into a mop bucket and then you can rinse it off, and there's a bit for the dirty water, so it squeezes all that dirty water out, and then that makes the mop like super, yeah, like drier, I suppose. So then when you're doing the walls, you don't have like water running down the walls. It just cleans it heaps easier. So that's what I bought. I was due for a new flat mop anyway because the one that I had, Velcro, just wasn't sticking. So I was very much due for a new one. So this is what I got. And yeah, I think it's going to work pretty well. I do believe that Kmart have like a dupe version of this. So if you're wanting a cheaper version, I did spend all day yesterday sanding and patching and sanding and patching and sanding and patching and more sanding and patching. And there was just plaster dust everywhere. I don't miss those days because this whole thing at one stage was just plaster dust everywhere and it was just full on. And yeah, so anyway, we're gonna get stuck into it. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's go. So this is one of the areas I want to paint today. So this needs a desperate clean, so that's why I had to go get that mop. You can see there's even cobwebs. I'm not very good at keeping my house clean, am I? But anyway, so yes, this is where I'm at. Anyway, I'm gonna head outside and share with you where I'm at, and I really need your opinion about something as well. This is the next area that needs working on. So I really want to paint that pole, and I want to color drench this, but I'm not sure what color to do. So this is where I did the paved area. If you remember me doing this, I have a whole video on it if you want to see the tutorial and the before and after. This door is also going to come off. As you can see, it's got scratching in it and that. It's not in the best condition, and let's be really honest, it's not going to increase the value of my home having it on here, so I'm just going to get rid of it. But yes, this is where I need your opinion because I'm thinking of color drenching it. So color drenching is when you paint the walls, all the walls and the roof the one color. I'm either thinking white, so then it makes the tiles here pop, or I painted that beautiful green color that is on the side of the door there, which is a little bit risky. I know that will go beautifully with the tiles as well, but yeah, it might be a bit much, I'm not sure. But let me know what you think. Even if I did the green as a feature color here and then painted the door green as well, but then kept the roof white, I'm not sure, but let me know what you think, because now I'm not keeping it. Well, I'm not planning on staying here. I don't really know what to do, but I still want to make it look nice, but I don't want to spend too much money either. If I do the walls, the white, I'm thinking of going, I don't know if you guys know what it is, it's like called a lime wash. I think it's called lime wash. It's just this like kind of like a bag of grout, and you mix it with water and then you put it on the walls, and it's actually really cheap, so it's like 20 something dollars a bag, and it looks like paint, and it's actually better for your bricks, like it's breathable. The only thing is when it gets wet it looks like shit. Like it looks like when you first put it on, and it just looks awful. So if someone was inspecting the house and it was a rainy day, it would just look really awful. So I'm not sure, but I think that's the way I'd go instead of paint, just because of the price wise. It's going to be a lot cheaper and easier, because paint is literally just going to soak everything up with the bricks. But yeah, so yes, this is the area again. Let me know what you think. Should I colour drench it all white? Should I just do like a white feature wall with a white door? Green feature wall with the green door? I don't know, but yeah, this is it from far back, so it'll just be that corner that's going to be colour drenched, so it looks like it's its own little room. I'll probably still put the privacy divider on there as well, which would be, I'm thinking like a timber because it looked nicer. But yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, a quick honest review on this bucket here if you're interested in buying it. The only problem I have with it, you can see this, so you can only go, see it says this way up, it can only go that way. So when you get low on water, see how the water's quite low, you actually can't see it, but yeah, the water's getting low. You can see where it goes up to on here already, and you can see that it's actually not washing or that part of the pad at all. So yeah, and you can't turn it around so it washes that side. Like, I can try. Yeah, no, it's not gonna go in there for me by the looks of it. And I'm not even gonna force it because I just paid $55 for it. But yeah, so it's the only bad thing about it. Yeah, but honestly, you should be changing your water quite a lot anyway. Because it's the walls here, it's not too bad. But if it was the floors or if it was a client's house, I would be changing this water all the time. So as I mentioned before, I am looking at possibly selling this house. So I thought I'd share with you sort of what I was looking at. So I want to go something a little bit more low maintenance. I am thinking a 2-bedroom rather than 3-bedroom because I feel like my 3rd bedroom just is a dumping zone. It's not actually used properly, so I prefer to do that and just really downsize. And I really want an outdoor area. I've always wanted an outdoor area, so I would love something with a pergola or something like that. A garage, 2-car, I would like a 2-car garage, but I doubt I'll get that. So definitely at least a 1-car garage. I'm definitely going to miss that 4-car garage that I've got. So yeah, that's sort of what I'm looking at. So I thought I'd pop in some clips of some of the houses that I wanted to look at, well, I've been looking at as well. These are just looking at the moment, so I'm definitely not won't be buying any of these. I need to actually get another job first, unfortunately. But yeah, this is one of my favourite ones. The only thing that I didn't like about it was obviously the carpet where the dining area is. Really not practical with a kid, so I'd have to change that. But also the fact that there is actually housing commission around the corner. And it makes me sound really snotty to say this, but I actually live in a housing commission area in between 2 housing commission houses, and one of them did get made emergency housing at one stage, and to be honest, it hasn't been a good experience. One house is amazing, the other house is just awful. So yeah, I'm trying to avoid that. I'm hoping not to go multi-level, but if I do, I'd love a balcony. This one is beautifully styled, obviously by a property stylist, so I need to actually look at properties properly and try not to get polarized by that, because I do a damn good job. But yeah, this one here I did go and have a look at, and when I saw it I was like, wow, it was, yeah, I wasn't very impressed. It's all joined together. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm still looking, but yeah, I'm having a house inspection this Friday just to have a look. But this one here I really liked as well. And my partner actually went a drive-by for me, and he said that the location wasn't very good. But look at our pergola area. It's just amazing. I really liked that. So that's sort of what I'm looking at the moment. This one here was also another one. I think this one would be such a good Airbnb because it's literally in the center of town. But again, it's been styled by a property stylist. It looks so beautiful. I could just like move in straight away. But yeah, even the bathroom, I think the bathroom's actually an old bathroom, but they make it look nice. And I reckon that wall, you can see how good it would be
to have an outdoor area out there. But yeah, I did really like this property, but I think they've just styled it really well. I think if I went there, I would have a different opinion, but who knows? So as I said to you guys earlier, I need to find myself a new job before I can actually get another home loan, sadly. So yes, I don't know if I'm going to be staying here for a bit, at least till I find something, so I'm buying in the same market, because there'll be nothing worse than selling when the market's low and then not being able to afford to buy until the market gets back up, and then I'm buying in a market that is, you know, like higher price. I don't know, I feel like you've got to buy in the same market, otherwise sell when the market's high and then buy them when the market's low. And yeah, it's just one of those things. Unfortunately, I just won't get another home loan at the moment, because yeah, my contract ended, and because my position is a funded position, they didn't get the funding that they wanted. So yeah, unfortunately I won't be getting much work there. So yes, I will be reapplying for somewhere else, but at the end of the day, I did just finish my certificate, so I'm just waiting on that to come in, and then I can start applying for jobs in a new industry. So that is also very, very exciting, and yeah, take on more of my own clients as well, with my organising business, and sort of expanding that to other services as well that I never really thought of before. But yeah, I've just been having other ideas as well, but yeah, I can't, obviously I sort of need a permanent position to get a home loan as well. So yes, anyway, wish me luck.
Okay, and this is how it turned out, guys. I am pretty happy. I had to do 3 coats and I don't know why. This color is called, it's the Diziku or something, I don't know. Apparently it is a Swedish name, so I've probably just killed it. But yeah, I did it in half strength. So it's the same as a kitchen, but in a half strength. So it looks like so much brighter and stuff, and I really, really like it. But yeah, kind of looks a bit patchy compared to every other paint job I've done. I don't know why, but anyway, it might be the weather, it might be the paint, it might be the fact that it was really hard to roll up and down like quite consistently because there's no room in here. But anyway, that is how it's looking.